semi-finals for Australia.
Now Hegge of Germany, next paddler on the course. The pastry chef from Augsburg. So a World Cup win in his career. There's the bronze medalist at the kayak cross in Paris.
Unfortunately, a 50-second penalty coming up for Noah Hegge on gate 14.
It just shows you the quality of the paddlers and the 50-second penalties. It's always there, it's always looming. Take that out, he's 1.2 seconds behind Dixon, and it's enough to qualify. So Hegge coming down now, and if that 50 remains, he won't be featuring in the semi-finals. Have to turn his attention to the kayak cross.